Picture yourself standing by a tranquil lake, its surface shimmering with the soft glow of a setting sun. A gentle breeze carries the fragrance of lotus blossoms, and in the distance, beneath a sprawling Bodhi tree, sits a figure whose smile radiates a warmth that seems to hold the entire world in its embrace. This is Maitreya, the Buddha of the future. His laughter a melody that invites you to pause, to breathe, to rediscover the joy nestled deep within your heart. What if, right now, you could release the burdens you carry, the worries, the doubts, the endless hum of the mind, and step into a space of boundless peace? Today, I invite you to embark on a meditation inspired by Maitreya Buddha, a practice to awaken the joy and compassion that already live within you. Stay with me, for this journey is not just a moment of calm, but a spark that can transform your life and touch those around you. If this vision speaks to you, hit that like button to share this energy, and let's begin this sacred exploration. Together, Maitreya, the Buddha of loving kindness, is often depicted with a round, joyful face, his eyes sparkling with a wisdom that transcends time. His presence whispers a profound truth. Peace is not a distant dream, but a seed already planted within you, waiting to bloom. In a world that tugs us in every direction, work, relationships, the constant ping of notifications, it's easy to lose sight of this truth. But what if you could reconnect with that seed in this very moment? Imagine Maitreya's smile, not as a carved statue or a distant icon, but as a mirror of your own capacity for joy. This meditation is not about escaping life's challenges, but about meeting them with a heart full of lightness and love. It's about learning to laugh with Maitreya, to find beauty in the ordinary, and to cultivate compassion that begins with yourself and flows outward to all beings. Find a quiet space, a sanctuary where you can sit comfortably on a cushion, a chair, or even the soft ground beneath a tree. If you're watching this, pause for a moment to settle in. Straighten your spine, but keep it relaxed. Let your shoulders soften, and rest your hands gently on your lap, palms open as if ready to receive a gift. Close your eyes if it feels safe, or soften your gaze to a point before you. Take a deep breath, inhaling through your nose, feeling the air fill your chest, your belly, your entire being. Exhale slowly, releasing any tension, any thoughts that cling to you. Do this again, and as you breathe, picture Maitreya seated before you, his smile a beacon of warmth. He doesn't ask you to be perfect. He simply invites you to be here, now. Why Maitreya? His image, often plump and laughing, reminds us that joy is not reserved for some far-off enlightenment, but is available in this moment. In Buddhist teachings, Maitreya is the future Buddha, yet his essence is timeless, embodying the promise that every breath holds the potential for awakening. His laughter is not mere cheer, but a profound recognition that life's impermanence is not to be feared, but embraced. As you breathe, let his smile inspire you. Notice the corners of your mouth. Can you allow them to lift, even slightly? This simple act is a quiet rebellion against suffering, a choice to embrace joy, even amidst life's storms. Let's deepen this practice. With each inhale, imagine drawing in Maitreya's boundless compassion. Picture it as a golden light, warm and soft, entering through your heart and spreading through your body. With each exhale, release any heaviness, regrets, fears, or self-judgments. You might think, I'm not doing this right, or my mind is too restless. That's okay. Maitreya's smile is for you, exactly as you are. If your mind wanders, gently guide it back to your breath, to that golden light. See it growing brighter with each breath, filling you with ease. This isn't about forcing happiness, but allowing it, like letting a lotus bloom naturally in the morning sun. Now, let's anchor this practice in compassion. The Metta Sutta teaches us to cultivate loving kindness, beginning with ourselves. Silently or aloud, offer yourself these words. May I be happy. May I be peaceful. May I be free from suffering. Repeat them slowly, letting each phrase settle into your heart. If it feels unfamiliar to wish yourself well, know that Maitreya's smile holds space for you, affirming your worthiness of this love. As you say these words, imagine his laughter joining you, a gentle reminder to release self-criticism and embrace your own goodness. Expand this wish outward. Picture someone you love, a parent, a friend, a child. See their face in your mind and offer them the same words. May you be happy. May you be peaceful. May you be free from suffering. Feel the golden light from your heart connecting to theirs like a thread of warmth. Then, extend this to someone neutral, a neighbor, a colleague, and offer them the same blessing. Finally, if you feel ready, bring to mind someone who challenges you, someone who stirs discomfort. This is harder, but Maitreya's compassion knows no limits. Offer them the same wish, not to change them, but to free your heart from resentment. With each repetition, feel the light within you growing, linking you to all beings. This practice is a seed, and like any seed, it thrives with care. You don't need hours of meditation, just a few moments each day to pause, breathe, and remember Maitreya's joy. If this resonates with you, subscribe to this channel for more guidance on this path. Share this video with someone who might need a moment of peace. It's a small act of compassion that can ripple far. And if you feel moved to support this work, consider leaving a super thanks to help us continue sharing these teachings. Let's return to the meditation for a moment. As you breathe, imagine Maitreya's smile dissolving into your heart, becoming a part of you. This joy, this compassion, is not something you need to seek outside yourself. It's already within, waiting to be uncovered. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing awareness back to your body. Open your eyes and carry this lightness with you. Let it shape your words, your actions, your connections today. This is just the beginning of our journey with Maitreya. In our next exploration, we'll weave this practice into daily life, transforming ordinary moments into opportunities for awakening. For now, reflect. What stirred within you during this meditation? What seed of joy or compassion took root? Hold that feeling and let it guide you. Like this video to spread this practice. Share it with someone who needs it. And join us next time as we continue this path to inner peace. Asterisk. Imagine walking through a bustling market, the air alive with the chatter of vendors, the clink of coins, and the vibrant colors of fruit and flowers. Amid this whirlwind, you catch a glimpse of a statue of Maitreya Buddha, his serene smile cutting through the noise like a ray of sunlight through a storm. In that instant, the chaos softens, and you feel a quiet invitation to carry the peace you found in meditation into this very moment. What if you could weave Maitreya's joy into the fabric of your daily life, transforming routine encounters into opportunities for awakening? This journey with Maitreya is not confined to a cushion or a quiet room. It's a practice that can bloom in the heart of your busiest days. Stay with me as we explore how to embody this compassion and lightness. And if this vision inspires you, tap that like button to share this spark with others. Let's dive deeper into living with Maitreya's smile. The essence of Maitreya's teaching lies in his ability to find joy in the ordinary, to see every moment as a chance to cultivate love and presence. In Buddhist practice, mindfulness is not just sitting in silence, but bringing awareness to every step, every word, every breath. Picture yourself in a moment of your day. Perhaps you're washing dishes, the warm water running over your hands, or waiting in line, surrounded by the hum of life. These are not distractions from your practice, but invitations to it. Maitreya's laughter reminds us that enlightenment is not a far-off peak, but a quality of heart you can touch right now. Can you pause, even for a second, and feel the warmth of his smile within you? This is where transformation begins, not in grand gestures, but in the small, intentional acts of presence. Let's try a practice to carry Maitreya's joy into your day. Wherever you are, take a moment to notice your surroundings. If you're watching this video, pause and look around. What do you see? The texture of a wall, the flicker of a screen, the face of someone nearby? Now, take a slow breath and imagine Maitreya standing beside you, his smile gently encouraging you to see this moment with fresh eyes. As you exhale, let go of any judgment about the messiness of the scene, the impatience in your heart, or the tasks piling up. Instead, offer a silent wish inspired by Maitreya's compassion. May this moment be filled with peace. This simple act anchors you, turning an ordinary instant to a sacred one. Now, let's extend this practice to your interactions. Think of the people you encounter daily: family, co-workers, strangers. Each meeting is a chance to share Maitreya's light. When you speak, imagine your words carrying the warmth of his smile. If you're listening, do so with the openness of his heart. This doesn't mean ignoring difficulties. Life will always bring challenges, but approaching them with kindness. For example, if someone frustrates you, pause and breathe. Picture Maitreya's laughter, not as dismissal of your feelings, but as a reminder that you can respond with clarity rather than reaction. Silently offer them a metta wish. May you be happy. May you be at peace. This practice doesn't change them, it transforms you, freeing your heart to move through the world with grace. To make this practical, let's weave Maitreya's presence into a specific moment of your day. Choose one routine activity perhaps. Drinking your morning tea, walking to work, or preparing a meal. Before you begin, pause for 3 breaths. With the first, invite Maitreya's joy into your heart, feeling that golden light from our earlier meditation. With the second, notice the details of the moment, the warmth of the cup, the rhythm of your steps, the scent of food. With the third, offer a wish for yourself and others. May we all find joy in this moment. This practice takes less than a minute, yet it roots you in mindfulness, turning the mundane into a meditation. Over time, these moments accumulate, like drops filling a cup, until compassion becomes your natural way of being. This journey with Maitreya is a lifelong dance, one that grows richer with practice. You don't need to be a monk or a scholar, just a willingness to return to this seed of joy, again and again. If this practice resonates with you, subscribe to this channel to join us for more ways to deepen your connection to Maitreya's teachings. Share this video with someone who might find peace in these words. It's a small gesture that can spread light far and wide. And if you feel inspired to support this work, consider leaving a super thanks to help us continue sharing this path. Let's close with a brief meditation to seal this practice. Wherever you are, sit or stand comfortably. Take a deep breath and picture Maitreya's smile filling your heart with golden light. As you exhale, imagine this light flowing outward, touching everyone you'll meet today, your loved ones, strangers, even those who challenge you. Silently repeat, may I carry joy, may I share compassion, may we all be free. Feel this intention settling into your bones, a quiet vow to live with Maitreya's lightness. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this warmth into your day. This exploration with Maitreya is an ongoing journey, one we'll continue to unfold together. Next time, we'll delve into how to face life's deeper challenges. With Maitreya's compassion, finding peace even in moments of pain. For now, reflect. How can you bring Maitreya's smile into one moment today? What small act of joy or kindness can you offer? Hold this intention and let it guide you. Like this video to spread this practice. Share it with someone who needs it, and join us next time as we deepen this path to inner peace.